Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so this is our first Tablescape Tuesdays for the new year 2024. I am so excited. So in this video today, let's go ahead and decorate a table for two. Let's get started, guys. I am very excited and I hope that you guys are too. I hope you brought in the new year safely and you had an amazing time with friends and family. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Okay, so Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's any color, style, or theme unless we have a guest, and then they get to choose whatever color, style, or theme. I have so much fun. It's so amazing. So the host of this collaboration, I am your main host. My name is Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and hosting with me is Amethyst Adventures. Okay, so the new hashtag is Tablescape Tuesdays 24, and that's already been created. I've been posting that some time back. So let me leave you to a little bit of music. I'll be in and out of the video, and yeah. So as in all collaborations, we want to practice YouTube etiquette. So I would love for you to head on over to the community tab where there you will see the calendar of collaborations for the month of January. You will always find the playlist and the thumbnails for all of the collaborations there, including this one. Okay, so let's start with the table here. Let's go with the centerpiece. So this entire centerpiece here came from the Dollar General, believe it or not. They have some amazing items in there. Then the florals, I do believe, came from the Dollar Tree. The runner on the table, I thrifted at the Salvation Army. Now we're going to move on over to the chargers. The chargers came from the Dollar Tree. The napkins were thrifted items. The wrap around the napkins came from the Dollar Tree. The dishes came from Walmart, and the utensils also came from Walmart. So now these champagne glasses, they came from Home Goods. And then the water glasses, those were thrifted items. Okay guys, so candle is lit. Let's head on over to the review. Okay, so I think this tablescape came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.